you watch Shane Dawson?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes.
Start workout. Woo! Okay.
Start.
So, we are here at 0.0 miles. We're in the center of the solar system, which is my cul-de-sac, and we are at the sun. The actual size of the sun is 1,341,900 kilometers. But to scale, it is 28 inches.
Which is being represented by a beach ball.
We're at 0. That's right there. Okay, so we're going to go to 0.02, correct? Yes.
Okay. Here we
We're
are.
at 0.02.
Which
We're at Mercury.
Since Mercury is so small on this scale, it is represented by a grain of sand.
It's right
See
there.
it right there in that corner? Yeah. So with Mercury, its actual size is 4,866 kilometers, and the to scale size is 0.0978 inches or 2.4 millimeters. Its actual orbit size is 57,950,000 kilometers, and then scale orbit is 97 feet or 0.018 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
good.
So,
So a sprinkle.
yes. Venus is being represented by a sprinkle.
The actual size is 12,106 kilometers, and then the scale size is 0.2435 inches and 6.1 millimeters. And then the actual orbit is 108,110,000 kilometers.
There you go.
The scale orbit is 181 feet or 0.03 miles.
Okay, keep going toward the So now we're at Earth.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So Earth is represented by, it's a piece of rice. So that is the to scale size of the Earth. The actual size is 12,742 kilometers. Its scale size is 0.25 inches or 6.5 millimeters. And then its actual orbit size is 149,570,000 kilometers. And its to scale size is 250 feet or 0.04 miles, which, as you can see, is how far we have been.
So, okay, 0.07. So this next is Mars. And that's 0.07. So 0.5.
So we're at Mars at 0.08 miles. And this is represented by salt.
Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Right down there at
There
the
it is.
bottom. You can see it down there. Okay.
So this is Mars. And so the actual size of Mars is 6,760 kilometers. And the actual orbit is 227,840,000 kilometers. The scale size is 0.1359 inches or 3.4 millimeters.
But yeah.
The scale orbit is 382 feet or 0.07 miles.
Yep.
So that's Mars.
So 0.2 miles. So we're actually making some leeway on the street for the first time. We're actually going some distance. I can go the distance. Okay, so 20.7, 18, 19.
So we're at Jupiter.
The actual size of Jupiter is 142,984 kilometers. Its to scale size is 2.87 inches or 73 millimeters, which is represented by this tennis ball. Its orbit is 778,140,000 kilometers, which in this scale is represented by 0.2 miles or 1,304 feet.
We're at 0.2 miles.
Okay, so
Okay.
hello.
So we're at Saturn, and the actual size of Saturn is 116,438 kilometers. Okay, actual orbit is 14 4,270,000,000 kilometers. And then the scale size is 2.34 inches or 59.4 millimeters. And then the scale orbit is 2,392 feet or 0.4 miles. And then it's a racquetball. There we go. That's the racquetball.
And
We're at
you can see
point
right
4.
And, the outer space. The outer space area, the
So we're at Uranus.
This is represented by Play-Doh because couldn't really find anything that was the correct size for it. There's a little ball of Play-Doh. The actual size is 46,940 kilometers. The scale size is 0.9442 inches. So in millimeters, that is 23.9. The actual orbit size is 2,870,300,000 kilometers. And then the to scale orbit size is 4,811 feet or 0.9 miles. 0.9 miles. So we are a little ways down Trace Ridge right now, and so we're just going to keep going down Trace Ridge to finish out the orbit at Neptune.
So we're at 1.4 miles, and this is the place of Neptune. Demonstrating Neptune is another Play-Doh ball, just a little smaller than Uranus. So the actual size of Neptune is 45,432 kilometers. The actual orbit is 4,499,900,000 kilometers.
Okay.
So the scale orbit is 7,543 feet or 1.4 miles, which we are at currently. Bam.
1.4.
The scale size is 0.9139 inches or 23.2 millimeters.
We are at the end of the solar system. Thank you for taking this journey with us.
I honestly remember my jelly beans.
My jelly beans. You brought them with you?
We got a little bit, so I'm gonna go take a nap.
Please don't. You're my navigator. I don't know where I am with it. If you sleep, I'm gonna crash. You're at
Uranus.
I'm not putting that in there.
We're at Uranus. Billion, 270 million. Stop! I don't know.
Just reread the orbit size.
The actual orbit size is 14 million.
Billion.
Gets out.
Just get out.
I quit. I'm actually the one driving.
I hate you.
Error.
It's
Password
working out.
incorrect. No, you're wrong.
Yeah, tell
That
them,
is
Nicole.
my password.
Tell them, Nicole. They'll listen to you.
Oh, I'm good!
That's why we don't hang out. That's the sole reason.
Yeah.